Jawaharlal Nehru described Manipur as Switzerland of the East and Jewel of India. Indeed, Manipur is endowed with salubrious climate, breathtaking scenic spots, and beautiful people. Now, let us read about tourist spots in Manipur. Manipur is a land endowed with great scenic beauty. The state has a great potential for tourism. The oval-shaped valley surrounded by hills is a tourist's delight. Nature has gifted the state with a diverse range of flora and fauna. The forests, waterfalls, caves, rare species of flora and fauna of this unexplored land would be a wonderful destination for visitors with adventure in their hearts. The rare, brow-antlered deer, Sangai, and the only terrestrial lily, Shirui lily, are native to the state. The natural beauty of the state is further enhanced by the different art forms and the handloom and handicrafts, which are the result of the artistic sensibilities of different ethnic groups living in the hills and plains of the state. Manipur gave the game of polo, or Sagol Kang Jai, to the world. Festivals are celebrated all year round. When tourists can witness the diversity of the people inhabiting the small state, the different dance forms, songs, and the colorful costumes of different ethnic groups living in the state can be witnessed by the visitors to Manipur during the time of festivals. The important festivals that can attract the attention of tourists are Gan Ingai, Idul Fitr, Luingai Ni, Yaosang, Lai Haroba, Chei Raoba, Rath Yatra, Hei Kruhi Dongba, Kwak Yatra, Mera Hao Chongba, Ningol Chak Kohuba, Koot, and lastly, Christmas. These festivals would help visitors to have a glimpse of the tradition and culture of the people living in the state. The natural beauty, historical sites, and a favorable climate are the conditions that would make Manipur the ultimate tourist destination. The places which would make excellent tourist spots are 1. Kangla. It was the ancient capital of Manipur, situated in the heart of the state, on the western side of Imphal River. The site is considered to be a holy shrine to Sri Sri Govindaji Temple. This temple is a historic Vaishnavat center and is located close to the royal palace. The golden twin-domed temple has a marble courtyard and a great assembly hall where devotees congregate to pray to the deities Radha Govinda, Balaram and Krishna, Jagannath, Balbhadra and Subhadra. 3. Ima Market. This is a unique market where the stalls in the three main structures of the market are managed by imas or mothers exclusively. Fish, vegetables, fruits, handloom items, cane and bamboo products are sold in the stalls. 4. Shahid Minar. The monument known as the Shahid Minar is situated in the heart of Imphal, the capital of Manipur, at Bir Tikendrajit Park. This memorial pillar pays homage to the indomitable spirit of the martyrs who sacrificed their lives while fighting the British forces in 1891. 5. War Cemetery. The War Cemetery commemorates the British and Indian soldiers who died during the Second World War. The cemetery is managed by the Commonwealth War Graves Commission and is located near the National Highway 39 and opposite to DM College campus. The stone markers and bronze plaque on the graves records the sacrifice of soldiers. Another war cemetery for the Indian soldiers is located at Hatta, Imphal East. 6. Manipur State Museum. The State Museum is located near Imphal Polo Ground. It exhibits the relics and historical documents and portraits of the former rulers of Manipur. The costumes, arms, and weapons on display are of special interest to visitors to the museum. 7. Manipur Zoological Garden. The Zoological Garden is situated at Irui Semba, about 6 kilometers from Imphal towards the west. Half a mile from the Imphal Kang-Chup road. The zoo houses the rare brow-antlered deer, Sangai, and also different species of animals and birds. 8. The Central Khong Ham Park Orchidarium. The Orchidarium, situated 7 kilometers away from Imphal, gives visitors an opportunity to see about 110 species of orchids. The 200-acre orchidarium is host to rare varieties of orchids, which include almost a dozen endemic species. The best time to visit the orchidarium is during April-May, when the orchids are in full bloom. 9. Moi Rang. Moi Rang is the focal point of the early Meitei culture. It is located 45 kilometers away from Imphal and has the ancient temple of the pre-Hindu deity, Lord Thang Jing. During the Lai Haroba festival, the deity is honored by men, women and children in traditional costumes by performing the ritual dance. Moi Rang played an important role during the Indian freedom struggle. The flag of the Indian National Army, INA, was first hoisted at Moi Rang on 14 April 1944. 10. Loktak Lake. It is the biggest freshwater lake in the entire northeast region. Situated just 48 kilometers away from Imphal. Sendra is a hillock in the Loktak Lake, a tourist resort, and a visitor's delight. Boating is also introduced on the lake. 11. Kebul Lamjao National Park. The park is located in the southwestern part of Loktak Lake and is the natural habitat of the rare Sangai, the brow-antlered deer. The entire lake is a wildlife enthusiast's dream. 12. Kaina. Kaina is a hillock situated about 29 kilometers away from Imphal on the Imphal-Yairi-Pok road. On the lofty heights of the Kaina hills is the legendary temple, where Ras Leela dance is still performed in its premises. It is a sacred place for the Hindus. Legend has it that Sri Govindaji appeared to Bhagya Chandra, the Maharaja of Manipur, in a dream, asking him to build a temple enshrined with the Lord's image carved out of a jackfruit tree growing at Kaina. 13. Khong Jom. It is an important historical site situated 35 kilometers away from Imphal along the Indo-Myanmar road. The Khong Jom War was fought at this place in the year 1891. The brave Manipuri warriors fought the Battle of Khong Jom against the invading British army. Khong Jom is a symbol of patriotism and valor. It is known for the martyrdom of Major General Pau Na Brajabashi. Khong Jom Day is celebrated on 23rd April every year. 14. Andhro. Andhro is located 27 kilometers away from Imphal in the east. A cultural complex is established at Andhro by the Mutua Museum. There is a fireplace at Andhro which has been burning for the last couple of millennium years. At the historical site of the mythical King Panam, who is worshipped with reverence by the people of Andhro. There is also a very big drum inside the hall where the sacred fire is burning. Andhro is also known for its production of unique potteries. Moreh. Moreh is an international border town located on the Indo-Myanmar road, 110 kilometers away to the southeast of Imphal. It is a busy trade center where people from many places settle to do business. It is 5 kilometers away from Tammu, the border town of Myanmar. The opening of border trade has turned Moreh into an important commercial hub in the northeast. All kinds of Thai and Chinese consumer goods at cheaper prices can be obtained from the two border towns of Moreh in Manipur and Tammu in Myanmar. 16. Ukhrul. Ukhrul is situated 83 kilometers away from Imphal in the east. It is one of the highest hill stations of the state and is famous for the Shi Rui lily, which grows on the Shi Rui hill. Another interesting tourist spot worth visiting is the Khang Kui Line Caves. 17. Tamenglong. Tamenglong is situated 156 kilometers away from Imphal. The interesting tourist spots in Tamenglong are the Tha Roan Caves, Burning Meadow, Zai Lad Lake, and Barrak waterfalls. Tamenglong is famous for its oranges, cane bamboo products, and also for its handicraft items. 18. Kumaon. It is a hill station bordering Nagaland, situated midway between Kohima and Imphal on the National Highway 39. It is located at an altitude of 1562.02 feet above sea level. Makhel, the historical place of Naga dispersal, and the legendary place of common origin of Meiteis and the Nagas, is also worth visiting. The Zuko lily blooms in the Zuko Valley during the months of May and July.